Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Windows 11 basics, 64-bit OS, at least 4 GB RAM and enough disk space. Once done, free 10 GB or more and pick an install drive. This avoids library moves later. Next, download Steam Setup, exe and save it where you'll find it. Desktop is fine. Now, make sure you're signed into a local admin account so the installer can write files and register services. This prevents permission errors when the installer runs. Run Steam Setup. Exe as administrator and accept the default options unless you need a custom path. This simplifies future updates. When installers prompt, allow Windows firewall rules and install Visual C++ redistributables plus DirectX. These are why some games run correctly. After installation, launch Steam, sign in or create an account, and let the client update to the latest build. Updates include security, library management, and compatibility fixes, so don't skip them. Install games to the library folder you created and pick the nearest download region to speed transfers. Then open Settings to confirm GPU assignment and performance options. Windows 11 may need explicit GPU selection for high-performance chips. After installing a title, validate game files from properties if crashes occur. If an installer or update fails, run Steam as administrator and temporarily disable antivirus. Then check the Steam logs in %appdata%bic/steam/logs for specific error lines.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.